My name is Mike Dieble. I'm a principal investigator with RJ Lee Group, and for the last year plus, I've been overseeing the establishment of our LCMS and PFAS laboratory operations. The LCMS equipment is new. We have a wide range of other analytical techniques like GCMS, but for us, LCMS is a new venture that will allow us to do a wide range of analyses. So, for instance, we used to analyze certain materials for BPA using GCMS, but that has a certain detection limit confines. It doesn't get very low. LCMS allows us to detect BPA at much lower levels. And there was certainly the PFAS business, and we've been doing a good bit of PFAS work with these instruments, but it's a very widely applicable technique to other industries too, such as pharmaceuticals, water analyses, pesticides, herbicides, agricultural work that we are now able to push into because of the new instrumentation. So we purchased two 8060NX mass spec platforms and two 40L LCMS platforms to work with them. We also purchased the LCMS Q-TOF instrument for doing non-targeted analysis. So when we made the decision to purchase LCMS equipment, we got several different quotes and bids from different vendors. We knew we wanted to make a large purchase, and so we had several different brands, popular brand vendors, come in and talk to us about their equipment. In the end, we decided to go with Shimadzu because of their sensitivity, their speed of analyses, and also the close collaboration that we were interested in starting with them. So once we made the decision to purchase and go forward with Shimadzu, the next step was setting up the laboratory space and getting the instruments installed and running. So from the very beginning, once we made the purchase, Shimadzu was on board with sending out engineers and technicians to look at our laboratory space to make sure everything was going to fit, make sure the ventilation was going to work well, make sure the power was going to be sufficient for running the instrumentation. After that, we coordinated, with the machine delivery, with the nitrogen generators, the batteries, everything was coordinated with us and Shimadzu. Everything was delivered here, and the engineers came in and installed the equipment, pretty short order. I think it was less than 3 months from order to delivery and setup. Then the instrument was delivered, set up, validated to the manufacturer's specifications, and once all that was done, Shimadzu had spent LCMS expert here for a week to teach us how to use the instrument. The method packages for your standard 537 and 533 EPA analyses for PFAS were already installed, and we were running calibration curves and standards within the first week. And working through the process after getting everything up and running has been very nice working with Shimadzu. Their engineers are very local. They're very nearby, and so they are very flexible in their time when we have had issues, some self-inflicted, of them coming down and helping us out and fixing up the instrumentation and making sure everything's working right. So the data output is very easy to work with. There's both an instrument operating software that comes with the instrument, but also a data processing software that comes with the instrument that has made looking through large amounts of data relatively straightforward. The process is pretty user-friendly. The sensitivity on the instrument is very good for the levels that we're trying to run, and the speed is very good. And like I said, it's been operational for about a year and have not seen a loss in sensitivity yet. Absolutely, absolutely. So from the very beginning, when we had a wide variety of vendors come in to show us their instrumentation, Shimadzu came in with the best presentation and showed that they were really very committed to making sure we were satisfied both with the instrumentation and with the partnership. For us, it's been a very nice collaborative work over the last year plus of working with them. And so, you're not just getting an instrument and then getting forgotten about by the manufacturer. They're here to help along the way, both with issues, mechanical issues and failure issues, but also with answering just simple questions of, how do I make this thing go, or how do I do, what have you. They've been very helpful with all that.